What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the X-TIGI phone. Now, as some of you guys all know, last year we reviewed the X-TIGI Q5. It was really amazing. But this year we are having the X-TIGI 2300. It seems to be really a good and amazing product, which I saw it for the first time, and it's really amazing. Now, what amazing through this phone is just so minimal, and you cannot resist it. The way it is, it's just captured through Nokia. Yeah, if you come through all those days, you understand there was a Nokia which has the same version as this X-TIGI, but it was really bigger, and consider this one is just a small phone. Now, let us just get started through this video of today, and we check out what's good about this phone. So guys, here we have it. This is our device, as you can see. So we're gonna just get started, and there we go. I'm gonna keep the phone aside first, and what's in here, let's see what's inside. Whoa, that's cool. You're getting even a case, which is a silicone case. Keep it aside. You're getting this kind of string which you can hold your phone, and another kind of stuff. You're getting the battery in here, which is really cool, and you're getting the charger. So that's it about the box, nothing else on here. You're just getting the charger, you're getting the battery, you're getting the silicone case, and last but not least, guys, you're getting your phone, which is really coming in handy. I really love this phone the way it is. It's really looking cool, and to be honest, at the back this is the camera, and there's a flashlight in here, which is quite not bad, and on the downside there's a micro USB cable which connects in here. So this is a micro port, and yeah, let's see what's inside the phone, because you might be saying, okay, what's inside? Wow, that's so small form factor. And the SIM card goes inside, and there's a micro SD card in here too, which is quite not bad. We can remove this sticker right now. Woo, there we go, and we can boot our phone if it has juice. Let's see. Wow, there we go. Seems to be having juice. That's amazing kind of intro. So there we go. That's a very vibrant display, I can say. Really vibrant. And let me just minimize my light here. You can see the display is really vibrant, and it's really seamless. As you can see, the menu, that's the menu, and going through the menu, there's multimedia, organizer, settings, phone book, messaging. That's it. So multimedia, and when you try to press the send, oh, the sender button works without you pressing this button. Whoa, that's cool. I like that. I thought that this button of the center is just like, you know, it's just there for showcasing, but it still works, which is really cool. Another kind of stuff, you can go to organizer. You can see there even games in here. F1 race. Let's play some games. I think we can, oh, ooh, I know this game. Oh my god, come on, let's start again. Whoa, that's really cool. There we go. Nice, breaking some records in here. We got 10 high score up to now. Really cool. As you can see, guys, really amazing game. To be honest, I kind of vibe with that. Really cool. Yeah, there we go. Nice. That's oh, 27 high score. Not bad. So you get games in here, and you can set even alarms in here, which is really cool. It have even a Bluetooth dialer, which is really amazing, and you get even calculator, and you have calendar too, and there's even file manager. Wow. But we don't have SD card, so it's just showcasing you for the phone. If we want to hear some ringtones, let's see how many ringtones it has and how much capability of the sound it is. So let's see. So the speaker is here. Or earphones. Yeah, man, this works without earphones. So you can see you're searching different variety, and it works fine. So don't get twisted about the speaker at the back. This is not a speaker. The speakers is at the front. So yeah. So let's talk about the specification of the X-TIGI 2300. Well, it has an IPS screen which is 1.3 inch. It has a dual SIM card and a dual standby. It has features like FM radio, which is a wireless FM radio. You don't need any headphones on here. You are having Bluetooth capability, and you're getting 520 mAh of battery, which you can just keep it even somewhere on your bag, or sometimes you can even hide it it's just small. I feel like it's a stealth phone, and it's really looking cool, to be honest. Like Nokia 2300 from back in the days, they copied the whole layout of the front, but overall everything is a little bit different. So don't expect anything Nokia-ish in here. It's just X-TIGI in here. The only thing they copied, it's the layout of the front. And to be honest, with your hand, you are capable of pressing the buttons. Like, you're capable 100% to press the buttons and to use the phone. So I can say for the people having bigger hands, this might be a little bit problem, but for the people having small hands like mine, well, it's quite not bad. But for the people who like just a phone which might be a backup phone but a small phone, well, I recommend the X-TIGI 2300. It's really amazing phone, and don't compare it with the smartphone or anything, because this is just a normal T9 button phone which can sort you through a different scenario in case you don't have a phone at all. So that's what's up, guys. I hope you enjoyed on this video of today, and let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the X-TIGI phone. Is it something which you think you can grab it as your second phone, or what do you say about the X-TIGI phone? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. Up to on the next one, guys. It's your boy here, Abdurrahim13. Catch you guys on the next tech video, and peace.